Ajitekeria nyambe gucoge muhorani hau twagikorwo tutekunyitana mitambo-ini orowega ororege ndakwamukira guku kwa Muthingi TV mohoro-ini maitu ma hwai-ini muthenya wa umuthi tariki ari ni 14 mweri wa 3 mwaka wa 2024 ni mwihoko wakwa ati thiko yaku ni yagitinda orowega nie ndoka niguo ngumenyithie uria bururi wa gitindo kigariura riboti kuma county itiganite guku bururi-ini wa Kenya nginyagia riboti kuma nja wa itaka cia bururi tukorokewo nginya riboti cia mathako ni maingi maria andiki aitu a mohoro magitinda magituhariria guku kwa Muthingi TV wona watikira guturana ithui mohoro-ini maitu ma hwai-ini muthenya wa umuthi ririkana ati mohoro ma maitu turamamemerekia imwe kwa imwe nenda-ini citu ciothe cia ukinyaniria wa thi kuria mwena wa Facebook ugutukora @Muthingi TV waikuruka kuria mwena wa YouTube na kwa utukore @Muthingi TV na ni hingo ciothe ngikaria giti kia umemerekia njitikaga wa irimu wa Kimani na riu tukiambiriria ni ati muikariri giti munene wa ruhonge rwa April Daniel Kiptum muthenya wa umuthi ni areketie kwanirira thogora mweru wa maguta guku bururi-ini na kuria agitigirira ati thogora uyu mweru ukahura jeki thutha wa thiko 60 itanya inene ria thirikari ari ni gutigirira o Mukenya ni agikorwo akiiganira na riendekithia rero kana waniriri uyu mweru wa kugwithaguthia thogora wa maguta kuringana na mutongoria wa bururi Ndagitari William Ruto ni riboti ira iragituhingurira mohoro maitu ma hwai-ini muthenya wa umuthi
Ogerwa kuramata hinya bururi-ini muthenya wa umuthi ni rurikitie kwanirira thogora mweru wa maguta kuria Petrol Kugua na kimanjika kia shiringi 7 Diesel kugua na kimanjika kia shiringi 5 Maguta ma tawa kugua na shiringi 4 thogora mweru mucii munene wa Nairobi Petrol Kugua kuma shiringi 206 nginya shiringi 199 Diesel kuma shiringi 195 nginya shiringi 190 Maguta ma tawa kuma shiringi 193 nginya shiringi 188 cio wa Mombasa na ku Petrol kuma shiringi 203 nginya shiringi 195 Diesel kuma shiringi 192 nginya shiringi 187 Maguta ma tawa kuma shiringi 190 nginya shiringi 185 thogora uyu mweru waniriirwo thutha wa mutongoria wa William Ruto ari mucii-ini ni marageria gwithia ngarama ya wa muturire handu-ini ha Muthingi TV ndetagwo Mwangi wa Gicohi
na tugithii na mbere ni ati mabitha ana a borithi riu ni manyikite wikio ngono na gukinyio mbao-ini magikuruhanio na ikuo cia andu 17 aria marerikanire moragirwo ni njohi thumu kuria mwena wa Kirinyaga undu uria uhanikite thutha wa gwika uthuthuria uria wahitukirio ni mutongoria wa acirithania kaunti-ini ya Kirinyaga mweri wa 6 mwaka uyu turi makiria ma uguo ekwirwo aya 6 ni mekinyitie mbere ya mucirithania uyu munene igoti-ini inene ria Kirinyaga
Riri andu makiria ma 17 makuire kaunti-ini ya Kirinyaga ni undu wa njohi nduru ekwirwo a maobitha ana a borithi ene irabu eri na murunawe umwe ni mahingiritwo thitango cia kuraga andu 17 aria marakuire thutha wa kunywa njohi nduru mwena wa Mwea kaunti-ini ya Kirinyaga Undu uyu uhanikite thutha wa gwika uthuthuria uria wahitukitio ni mutongoria wa acirithania kaunti-ini ya Kirinyaga mweri wa 6 mwaka-ini uyu makiria ma uguo ekwirwo aya 6 ni mekinyitie mbere ya mutuaniri cira wa igoti inene ria Kirinyaga Richard Mwogo.
Respect to accused number 1, directions as follows. The defense to file their formal bail application within 7 days together with submissions. The state to file their submissions within 7 days of being served. The probation officer to file a probation report within 14 days of today's date.
Ukirio kwa mutongoria wa thitango Jane Mare nyendikithitie ati mukwirwo wa mbere John Muriithi uria ni mwene wa kirabu ya California ndabataire bodi kuonania family cia andu aria makuire 17 ni marakarite nake undu uria nake wakiri wake Kimuto Magari augite angihota kuura tondu ye ni muikari wa Kangai.
Joseph Mureithi Karaya, Lydia Wanjiru Mbokothe, Anthony Muthee Karaya, Francis Mutheithia, Aaron Kiaro Kimanzi, Brian Mwandeki Kariuki na Kennedy Mugambi. Muthitangirwo na kũbanga na kũraga mukuna gĩcunjĩ kĩa watho kĩa 203 na 204 watho wa gũkũ Kenya.
Ekwirwo aya a maobitha a borithi nio Francis Muteithia, Brian Kariuki na Kennedy Mugambi ni mahigiritwo na bodi ya shilingi milioni 1 kuria nake Alan Kwaro ahigiritwo na bodi ya shilingi 500 thutha wa wakiri wa Kenya gagitari kuga ati akoretwo akiruta wira wa borithi kwa ihinda ria mwaka umwe.
For accused number 5 shall provide a bond of 500,000 shillings with a surety of similar amount.
Nake mwene kirabu John Mureithi cira wake ugathikiririo tariki 17 mweri wa kana. Handu-ini ha Muthiki TV Getwo King'ori wa Gatundu.
Yeah, because this is a matter for completion of administration.
Nake munini wa governor wa Kisii Robert Mwenda muthenya wa umuthi uria wakorirwo kinyitikana na mahitia thirikari-ini ya county riu ni areganite na thitango ciothe inya iria agumirwo nicio ari kamiti-ini ino ya Senate. Mwenda ahagũrirwo wabici-ini ni abunge 53 na thitango cia uhuthiri moru wa hinya wabici-ini yake oro hamwe na uhuthiri moru wa kigina ya county.
Charge number 1, gross violation of the Constitution or any other law. The particulars of the charge are as follows. Whereas Article 179(4) vests Deputy Chief Executive power on the Deputy Governor, and whereas in consideration of the provisions of Article 10 and 73(1) A, 3 and 4 of the Constitution of Kenya 2010, insofar as it connotes the manner in which a state officer is expected.
I, Robert Onsare Mwenda, do solemnly swear that the evidence that I shall give before the Senate in respect of the matters before the Senate shall be the truth, the whole truth, and but the truth. So
na koromera gano iria ciumanite na ciaitoi mwena wa Samburu. Riu Commissioner wa Rift Valley ya ithura Abdi Hassan ni aheanite mathaa 24 kuri itoi ici ciume gicigo kiu na ihenya. Oroho Hassan ni ugeti ati thirikari ni rutete wira mwega makiria kuona ati ginyagia riu itoi makiria ma 19 nicio ciuragitwo.
Ningetaka kuelezea wananchi ya kwamba wale ambao wameingia katika sehemu hii ya Samburu ambao wanajifanya eti ni wafugaji waondoke mara moja. La sivyo, na tumeweka mikakati, tutawaondoa kwa lazima. Mipango ya kuondoa inaendelea kukamilishwa and we shall remove them by force. We shall utilize all possible means to remove them. We will uproot them. We will deal with them and make sure we consign them to where they come from. We have no business having people who masquerade as herders, yet they are not herders but armed bandits, armed terrorists. Kwa siku 43 tumekuwa na hali ya utovu wa usalama ambao kilele chake kilikuwa kifo cha ule mwakilishi wa wodi ambaye majangili waliweza kutekeleza jambo ambalo halikuwa nzuri. Uliweza kupoteza askari wa ziada. Tunasema pia pole na wananchi wale wengine ambao walipata matatizo. Vile vile ningetaka kuelezea kwamba serikali ilifanya kazi nzuri katika kipindi ya mwanzo ya mwaka huu, yani kwota ya kwanza katika sehemu hii, kwa sababu majambazi ambao walijaribu kuleta tashwishi tuliweza kuangamiza 19 kufikia hivi sasa ya shule 3 zimeweza kufungwa kwa sababu ya hali tete ambayo iliyoko sehemu hiyo, na hiyo shule ni Ngorika, Soitpus na Angata na Nyukie. Hakuna kisa ambacho kimetokea. There was no incident, no attack, but because of out of fear and concern, the schools suddenly became deserted, and the situation is not very good. We have also noticed or got report that wananchi pia wameweza kurelocate from there, and jambo hilo ndio tumekuja kulishughulikia, tujue jinsi tutakabiliana nalo. Kuongeza maofisa wa usalama katika kituo cha polisi cha Morijo. We want to enhance the strength and the personnel and the capability of the Morijo police post ili waweze kupatia usalama wananchi wa sehemu hiyo.
Na morare witorifoti eneo egokora gitweka mwikegago ikiria ndugathi haraya neturashokereria na magi maigi.
Utongoria uria munene wa bururi uka ginyagia hau hakuja Wanjiku ni kurira ararira woyi wakwa
ko ni kurio hakwa ni no nyende maandamano mambie rucio tondu thirikari no ni tuhinyiririe haria tukinyite
ati acio me ofisini cia ubunge na kuria kungi ti aria twacagurire acio nio meheire mandate
eka thirikari iratwendera atia.
It is my duty and indeed the duty of every citizen of Kenya to pay their share of taxes.
There are a number of proposed tax measures will have significant negative impact on taxpayers.
Kiuria gia kuongerereka kwa garama ya muturire ikionekana gwakiriria o gwakia.
Kuma riria ndeto cia ugikuyu ciokire bururi uyu noguo njohira ingihire kuma kuri anake a gikuyu.
Hihi murugamo wa thirikari ni uriko?
If you want to remove our trousers and whippers on the buttock, go ahead. We don't have the money.
Wege na urumwe wa Mugikuyu ugatuika niyo ndama ateti megwateire.
We are where we are today because of it is because of Uhuru Kenyatta.
Ihinda ni kinyu twarie maria matukonie ithui nyumba ya Mobi.
Uri ndio gutari na minwe maandamano maria mareho papa wa nyuka waniri guti mundu aravuka
nyitanira na Kariuki wa Duati akiunanira Njong'wa na ateti o hamwe na atongoria makirunga ici ni o muthenya wa mwambĩrĩrio thaa 2 cia hwaĩ-inĩ nginyagia thaa 3 cia hwaĩ-inĩ tukigereka gabiro utongoria wa bũrũri tabarĩra-inĩ ya kuendete ya kurungaire guku kwa Muthengi TV kihumo gia gutherema.
Riria turatura muturire-ini uyu nitucemanagia na maundu matiganite, mamwe magatiga ironda nene ngoro-ini citu na mamwe magatuika rugano rwa gutura ruheanagwo.
Ndirianegeria mwana wakwa iria, mwana ndari na outlet, ndayambirie kuiba, mwana kiambia kurutira kioro kanua na maniuro.
Wathi kirabu no nginya urika uria andu a kirabu meka no wikore magero-ini haraka muno.
Konge ni arata matwikirie, konge ni endo aitu, amwe makimenyaga aria angi matekumenya.
Kirinde magucagia bangi magoka makanjoherera muthi-ini makahura ngundi ta bag kama bag ya boxi
weka atia
sasa sijui nie ndio ndoka tu noherero hari na muthi hau lakini sasa at the end of the day nduri handu ha kurira
na nikio nie teri wa Mwangi njinyitetie muthiori gwethana na andu mena rugano rwa mwanya tugakorwo tugikara thi nao magakorwo magituhe maria manatongana namo ni o muthenya wa Juma thaa 2 cia hwaĩ-inĩ thiini wa tabarĩra ya rugano rwakwa guku kwa Muthengi TV.
kihoto kiunaga utamugete na kuona kihoto watho ni ufataranagia
watho ukoragwo wa guteithia mitugo na mikire ya maundu hari andu othe
na watho ugite ni 3 months with full pay
ndwagirirwo gutwarwo police station kana gutwarwo criminal court ni undu wa defamation
na nikio ni nawe tufatie kumenya uria mundu agietha kihoto giake
mwana ena right yake na mwana we ni innocent
kihoto iriko na muthuri na mutumia tokoga na indo ikwari
watho ni witikiritie ciana icio utigirwo
nyitana nanie Wairimu wa Kimani guku kwa Muthingi TV wa kana thaigire cia hwaini tuthome na tuhiganie ciegi watho amugoko nikuo kihumo kia gutherema twagicokereria na riu tugithi na mbere tukiambiriria na riboti ya mugomo wa madagitari kuri minister wa ugima wa mwiri guku bũrũri-inĩ Susan Nakhumicha ni yumiritie muthenya wa umuthi kwerethera ndereti ya mugomo wa madagitari iria yamirie kamiti-ini ya bunge ya ugima wa mwiri guku kiama kia madagitari ikianira ati itua ria kuruta mukana wa kugoma ni thutha wa kwaga uiguano gatagati ka mungano wa madagitari na thirikari nene oroho Susan Nakhumicha ni aremirwo kwariria ciegi mugomo wa madagitari bũrũri-inĩ
hihi mugomo wa madagitari wiho kana ca ni kiuria kiria minister wa ugima wa mwiri Susan Nakhumicha aregire gucokia mbere ya kamiti ya bunge ya ugima wa mwiri na kwaga kuheana anja o yothe ona gukiri uguo kiama kia madagitari bũrũri-inĩ ni kiyumiritie na kuga ni kirikitie kuheana notithi ya mugomo wa bũrũri kwambĩrĩria muthenya wa umuthi o ni thutha wa kwaga uiguano gatagati ka thirikari nene na madagitari bũrũri-inĩ.
He is afraid of his waziri whether we ask me whether the strike is on or not. I'm asking because that's what you are afraid of. Now I'm asking.
Minister uyu ni anirire ati ni gubangitwo gikaro gatagati ka minister wa kigina na kuria ministry yanirire kuheana bilioni 2 wiki yukite kwa kuhura njeki sector-ini ya ugima wa mwiri.
In my morning meeting with the treasury, with the cabinet secretary for treasury and the principal secretary, we have agreed on how the payments should flow, and he has assured me this week that by end of next week we'll get some amount. We have agreed on staggered payments so that we can be able also to meet our obligations.
Nakhumicha oho ni eranire ati ministry yake ni gwika uria engihota gukinyaniria motungata mega ugima-ini wa mwiri guku bũrũri-inĩ.
And number 3 is the availability of health workers. And I think that is what we are dealing with at the moment. We have to ensure that health workers are available in the public sector. What we have at the moment is we have a shortage, and that we must confront as a country, and especially this committee that is in charge of healthcare. We must confront that we have a shortage of health workers. And that is one of the reasons that has put us in the quagmire that we are in right now with the intern. So we must see how do we raise resources to ensure that public facilities have commodities, have equipment.
Handũ-inĩ ha Muthingi TV, Getwo King'ori wa Gatundu.
na kemwe ni mugunda wa Neno Evangelism Center uria wikaine ta James Ng'ang'a ni kinyetie mbere ya kamiti ya bunge guku bũrũri-inĩ igũrũ rĩgiĩ ngucanio cia mugunda wa kanitha uyu akiaria ari mukawa-ini wa Panari guku ni muciĩ munene wa Nairobi. Ng'ang'a ni ugete ati mugunda uyu wa Neno Evangelism Center ni uhitukitio kiwatho no indi ruhonge rwa Kenya Railways nere mukugetie warana kwigwatira mugunda uyu undu uria mareganite naguo ukiria uguo kamiti ino ni heanite thiko 14 cia gukorwo makiana maratathi mothe ma mugunda uyu hamwe na mendekithia mawendia wa mugunda uyu wa kanitha uyu. Mwandiki witu wa Njiro wa Maina niwe wina riboti ino.
Kurumirira ngucanio cia mugunda wa Neno Evangelism Center, mwene mugunda uyu na uria wikaine ta mutungatiri James Ng'ang'a ni ekinyetie mbere ya kamiti ya bunge guku bururi-ini mukawa-ini wa Panari kaunti-ini ya Nairobi. Makiria ma miaka 20 niguo Ng'ang'a agurire mugunda uyu ciringi milioni 32 thutha ucio akiongerera ciringi milioni 10 na akiamukira taito ya mugunda uyu mwaka-ini wa 2008 no mwaka-ini wa 2020 ruhonge rwa Kenya Railways rukimwandikira marua makienda kwigwatira taito ya mugunda uyu undu uria areganire naguo kuona agurite taito ino kuma bengi-ini ya gibururi ya Central.
2004 kabao kakawekwa hapo for sale. Tukakaa nikafuata hiyo namba, nikaenda Central Bank. Nikapewa wale watu ambao wanahusika na hiyo plot. Tukaanza kuongea na wao. Wakaniuzia 32 million. Nilipe 10%, alafu zingine nilipe 90 days. Nikaenda kwa Equity, tuka-agree na wao na nikalipa hiyo 10%. All of a sudden wakaregesha tena kwa TEDA, nikaiona kwa Kenya Gazette. Tukaenda tuka-apply tena, wakasema unless now you pay 42 million. Tuka-sign hiyo agreement, nikaenda kwa benki ya Equity, wakanilipia hiyo title. Nikaanza kulipa 2008 somewhere there, ndio nilimaliza loan. Nikapewa title kwa jina la Neno Evangelism Center. 2020 nikaandikiwa barua na watu wa Lerwe, wakasema wanataka kurespond kuchukua title yao. Mimi nikawajibu, nikawaambia title nimenunua kwa Central Bank na mimi sina title yao. Hawakujibu barua hiyo.
Kuringana na Ng'ang'a ni augite ati yedaragwa gutetera mugunda uyu kuona kuri na andu maramakungia waratera mugunda uyu undu uria ni mugaru wa watho.
Hii mambo ya nimeiba imetoka wapi? Kuna watu in the government, I will say this clear, I'm 71 years, ambao wanataka kuhujumu wakitumia government. Take this note. Wanatumia government wahujumu huko chini.
Gukiri uguo kamiti ya bunge ni yuritie Ng'ang'a gukorwo akineana maratathi mothe ma mugunda uyu mbere ya thikũ 14 amwe na mendekithia ma wendia wa mugunda uyu.
These are documents. In the next 7 days, it can be today, it can be Tuesday, at least within 7 days, and then we'll give you a date within 14 days when we can sit.
Ngiribotera Muthingi TV, ritwa riakwa ni Wanjiru.
Wanjiru wa Maina nĩ ũndũ wa riboti ĩyo. Na rĩu tũgĩthiĩ na mbere nĩ atĩ arĩmi kuma kaunti cia Embu, Kirinyaga hamwe na Tharaka Nithi nĩ moretio makorwo magĩkinya monanio-inĩ ma ũrĩmi marĩa megũtabanio kaunti-inĩ ya Embu. Mamwe ma maũndũ marĩa arĩmi megũkorwo o harĩ monanio maya nĩ mataro megiĩ ũrĩmi na kwenderio mbegũ na thogora cia raithi makĩria. Derek Gathũmbe na riboti ĩno.
Arĩmi kuma kaunti cia Embu, Kirinyaga na Tharaka Nithi nĩ moretio mekinyie monanio-inĩ ma ũrĩmi mwena wa Embu nĩguo gũthomithio njĩra njerũ cia kũgacĩrithia ũrĩmi na gũtigĩrĩra kwĩna bũthi wa irio. Mũikarĩri gĩtĩ wa monanio ma ũrĩmi gĩtaro-inĩ kĩa irathĩro rĩa bũrũri Martin Mũtuĩri nĩ anyitĩte ũgeni arĩmi aya monanio-inĩ marĩa megwĩkinyio nĩ ataaramu a sector itiganĩte kuma ũrĩmi, gĩthomo na ũgima wa mwĩrĩ.
My name is Martin Mũtuĩri. I'm the Agricultural Society of Kenya branch chairman, that's MPRO. I want to take this opportunity to welcome residents of Kirinyaga County, Tharaka Nithi County, Embu County, and all the farmers to this year agricultural show. We have a lot of exhibitors on board. Right now, over 100 exhibitors are already on the ground from various sectors, that's research, financial, insurance, agriculture, education, health. We have all those kind of farmers.
Monanio ma mwaka uyu megũkorwo makĩmũrĩka ũcenjia wa rĩera, kuona atĩ rĩera rĩkoretwo rĩgĩcenjia na njĩra ya kĩriga na arĩmi nĩ mabatie gũkorwo mecemba gũteng'erania na mogarũrũku maya. Oho monanio maya nĩ megũkorwo na kambuni iria cigũkorwo cikĩendia mbegũ njagĩrĩru na thogora wa thĩ.
Our this year theme, it's promoting climate smart agriculture and trade initiative for sustainable economic growth. Generally, we have seen a lot of changes in climate, and to curb that, we have brought people who deal with various innovations in agriculture. So what I want to request farmers and the entire community, it's to welcome to this year show. They come and learn different technology, they run different methods in farming, and not only about farming. We have also companies which are selling seeds, and they are selling the best seeds ever at a very cheap rate.
Commissioner wa kaunti ya Kiambu Jack Obuor nĩugĩte atĩ monanio maya nĩ mabange na njĩra njega na megũkorwo marĩ ma kĩrathi kĩa igũrũ gũkĩringithanio na monanio ma hau kabere.
Tumeona exhibitors wengi sana siku ya leo kutoka kwa mashirika mbalimbali na pia kutoka county governments na pia national government agencies zile zina deal na manani ya agriculture. Tumeona hali ya juu ya preparation. So hiyo inaonyesha compared to the other years, Embu Show inaendelea kujieneza na ile quality ya production na quality ya show ni mzuri kwa wakulima.
Minister wa Urimi Mithika Linturi netanyitwo gũkahingũra monanio macio muthenya wa gatano kiumia gĩkĩ. Handũ-inĩ ha Muthingi TV, njĩtagwo Derek Gathombe.
Emwe kwa imwe tukorwo tukigira kuria iharo-inĩ citũ na kuria mũtongoria wa bũrũri Ndagĩtarĩ William Ruto muthenya wa mũthĩ nĩ agwĩkinyĩtie kũrĩ kĩrabu kĩa AFC Leopards. Kĩrabu kĩa AFC marakũngũĩra gũkinya mĩaka 60 kuma rĩrĩa kĩrabu gĩkĩ kĩambĩrĩirie harĩ mwaka-inĩ wa 1964. Mahotanĩte ikombe 12 cia ligi nene ya gũkũ bũrũri-inĩ, ikombe 10 cia Kenya Cup na ikombe 5 cia Sekafa Club Championship. Nake minister wa mathako gũkũ bũrũri-inĩ Ababu na Mwamba mũthenya wa mũthĩ nĩ agwĩkinyĩte kĩharo-inĩ gĩa Talanta Sports City kũrĩa kĩharo gĩkĩ kĩrathiĩ na mbere na gũthondekwo. Kenya na mabũrũri matiganĩte ta bũrũri wa Uganda na Tanzania matanyĩte mbĩtĩka cia AFCON gũkanyita itemi mwaka-inĩ wa 2027.
Going on here at Jamhuri grounds, good progress with the excavation work. Preparation of the grounds has been completed. Now it's very heavy duty excavation of the foundation. We have a good schedule. We have timelines, and looking at the pace of work going on here, no doubt that we are well within our set timelines. So very confident that Talanta Sports City is on track. We have no doubt whatsoever that this project should be ready on schedule, and we have set the target of December 2025 to have this project ready and good to go, to be put to the test and that will give us about a year and a half to test it, to try it out ahead of AFCON 2027. So all good, all on track. Quite pleased with the progress of works here.
Na murari witaho niho gukorwo gekira gaturumo mohoro maitu ma hwaini muthenya wa umuthe ngatho mwanya muno kuri we wetikira gutwana ithe kumara tabiriria mohoro maya maitu ginyagia ari ngatho cia mwanya makiria kuri aria othe twakinyitana nao kore nende-ini cito ciothe cia ukinyaniria ni hindi ciothe njitikaga wa irimu wa Kimani gakwendithagia tuku mwega.